Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your reporting cycle into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet, and after opening the Bitget wallet, you will get to see this 4 circled icons into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into that, you will get this section of reporting cycle directly. Just simply tap into that and you will get two options. If you select the first one, which is local time, your percentage will be calculated after 12 a.m. according to your local time every day. If you select the second one, it will be changed into every 24 hours, and this way your wallet and the percentages will be functioning. Just simply select the format into here. I'm selecting 24-hour format, and this way you can very easily change your reporting cycle into my wallet. Just simply select any of those options according to your suitability. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.